All right, Grace.
Yeah?
We're going to be doing a few tasks. Just answer everything and do everything to your best and most honest ability.
Okay.
So the first task, I'm just going to ask you a simple question. So pretend that your aunt is going to have a birthday and you want to surprise her with a gift she will really like. How would you decide what kind of gift she would really like?
I would either ask, like, grandma or something, or I would think and decide what she likes.
How would you decide what she likes?
Think of things we've done together and think of what kind of things she has in her house.
Okay, nice. All right, so the second thing I'm gonna have you do is you can see I've got 2 identical cups here and a third cup, and then some water. So, what I want you to do is please pour water into both of the same ones so that each has exactly the same amount of water.
How much water do I need left over?
Just pour them until you think they have the same amount.
Okay. Okay.
All right. Do both of them have exactly the same amount of water?
Probably not,
Well, how do you know?
because I didn't measure it.
Fair enough. All right, so this third one. Now what I want you to do is now take one of the other glasses and pour it into this one. So say that both of these did have the same amount of water. When you poured it into this one, does that mean, are they the same?
Yeah,
Okay. Well, how do you know?
because they're the same amount of water. This one's just not as wide.
Okay. Now pour that one back into that one. I think you know what I'm gonna ask. Are they the same?
Yeah.
Okay. All right, Mason. So I'm gonna have you do a few tasks. All I need you to do is answer them honestly and do them to your best ability, okay?
Okay.
All right. So the first thing we're gonna do is just gonna start off asking you a question, all right? So pretend that your uncle, so like Uncle Todd, is going to have a birthday. His birthday's coming up. And you want to surprise him with a gift that he will really like. How would you decide what kind of gift he would really like? How do you think you would figure out what he would want?
I'll ask his mom.
Ask his mom? Okay, what else do you think you would do to see what he would like? Do you think that if you went to the store you could pick out something for him?
Yeah.
How would you decide what he would like from the store if you couldn't ask anybody?
Think about his favorite thing.
Think about his favorite thing? Okay, nice. All right, so now the second task, what I'm gonna have you do is, so you see we've got the 2 identical containers there. Would you say those are identical? They're the same? Same containers?
No. Yes.
Yes?
Yeah.
Okay. So, what I want you to do is take this bigger cup and pour some water into both so that both of them have the same amount of water. look like they have about the same? All right. So, do you think they have exactly the same amount there?
Yeah.
Well, how do you know?
I see it.
You see it and it looks exactly the same? All right. Now what I'm going to do is give you this third one. This weird shaped one. What I want you to do is now take one of these glasses and pour it into this new one.
No cup.
Pour all of it in there. Okay. All right. So, do you think these ones have the same amount?
No.
Well, why do you think that?
Because there was a less shape here and a bigger shape there.
So you think this one has more?
Yeah.
Okay. So pour this one back into that one.
Okay.
Now do they have the same amount?
Yeah.
Okay. Well, how do you know now?
I look at it.
You look? It just looks like it's the same?
Yes.
Okay.